Stare decisis is a Latin phrase that means to stand by things decided. In the context of law, it refers to the principle of precedent, where courts follow the decisions of previous courts in similar cases. This principle is essential in maintaining consistency and predictability in the application of the law. History of stare decisis. The concept of stare decisis dates back to ancient Rome, where the Roman jurist Ulpian wrote that what has been decided should be followed. The principle was later adopted by the English common law system, where it became a cornerstone of the legal system. In the United States, the principle of stare decisis was enshrined in the Supreme Court's decision in Marbury v. Madison, 1803, where Chief Justice John Marshall wrote that it is a maxim not to be disregarded, that general principles should be followed in particular cases. Types of precedent. There are several types of precedent, including horizontal precedent. This type of precedent involves the application of a previous decision to a similar case within the same court. Vertical precedent. This type of precedent involves the application of a previous decision to a similar case in a higher court. Analogous precedent. This type of precedent involves the application of a previous decision to a similar case with similar facts, but different law. Significance of stare decisis. Stare decisis has several significant benefits, including consistency. Stare decisis ensures that the law is applied consistently, reducing the risk of arbitrary or capricious decisions. Predictability. Stare decisis provides predictability in the application of the law, allowing individuals and organizations to plan and make decisions with confidence. Efficiency. Stare decisis reduces the need for repeated litigation, as courts can rely on previous decisions to resolve similar cases. Limitations of stare decisis. While stare decisis is an essential principle in the legal system, it is not without its limitations. Some of the limitations include outdated decisions. Stare decisis can lead to the perpetuation of outdated decisions that are no longer relevant or just. Inconsistent decisions. Stare decisis can lead to inconsistent decisions where different courts or judges apply different precedents. Overly broad decisions. Stare decisis can lead to overly broad decisions where a previous decision is applied to a case that is not similar. Abrogation of stare decisis. In some cases, the principle of stare decisis may be abrogated, where a higher court overturns a previous decision. This can occur in several ways, including reversal. A higher court may reverse a previous decision, effectively overturning the precedent. Overruling. A higher court may overrule a previous decision, effectively nullifying the precedent. Modification. A higher court may modify a previous decision, effectively limiting the scope of the precedent. Examples of stare decisis. Example 1. In the case of Brown v. Board of Education, 1954, the Supreme Court held that segregation in public schools was unconstitutional. This decision has been followed in numerous subsequent cases, establishing the principle of stare decisis in the context of civil rights. Example 2. In the case of Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, the Supreme Court held that individuals have the right to remain silent during police interrogations. This decision has been followed in numerous subsequent cases, establishing the principle of stare decisis in the context of criminal procedure. Stare decisis is a fundamental principle in the legal system, ensuring consistency, predictability, and efficiency in the application of the law. While it has its limitations, stare decisis remains an essential tool for judges and lawyers in resolving disputes and interpreting the law.